Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the rear shock absorbers on Audi A4 B6. First we start by removing the wheel. So the shock absorber is held by one bolt on the bottom. The bolt is held by a nut. You can see it over there. We start by removing that bolt. Next we start by removing a couple of screws that are holding the wheel arch. Because we need the wheel arch to be loose so that we can get to the bolts of the shock on top. Now that the wheel arch is removed, we can see the two bolts holding the shock on top. And that's it, the shock is removed. Now we need to put on the new shock and put a new the suspension strut mount on the new shock, and we can assemble everything together. Make sure when you put on a new shock to push it up and down a little bit for a couple of times, because it has to start working before you put it on the car. And next we can assemble the shock. Now we put the shock back on the car, and we assemble everything in the reverse order. If the video is helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Give the video thumbs up. Thank you very much.